Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2022 Freightliner, folks. 54,000 GVW, white in color, brand new bed, 5 foot long by 102 wide, all steel, primed and painted. Beautiful unit, 14.7 fronts, Detroit diesel, 330 horsepower with an automatic transmission. Refurbed, steel outer rims, 80% to new tires all the way around. Underside has been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Brand new buyer's toolbox. Excellent condition. Outer rim is refurbed. Excellent tire condition all the way around. Universal mounting kit, Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, many other brands. Brand new bed, 102 inches wide, 25 foot long, steel bed, folks. Beautiful unit. Brand new straps. This unit has 160,000 miles on it. 75-gallon aluminum tank. Air Ride driver's seat. As you can see, the inside of this unit is very clean. 160,000 miles. Automatic transmission, Detroit diesel. Diff lock on the rear. Suspension dump and engine brake. Comes with a Bluetooth radio, folks. Detroit diesel, beautiful unit. Give us a call. This is Equipment Remarketing. 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can see all of our available trucks, trailers, and piggyback forklifts available for sale. We have Moffett, Princeton, and Load Mac in stock, ready to go.